Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little project share. This is actually a video response for Sheba's Find here on YouTube, and she's having a little birthday challenge giveaway to make a mem ducks. So it could be any theme. I made mine Halloween. I stitched the paper and used some of those Dollar Tree rub-on transfer stickers. Again, I'm so obsessed with these. If you see them, you better grab them. They're so like cool on paper, and they look like pattern paper designs. Very awesome. So I just made that background piece like that, and then the mem ducks is going to go like this. I'm just going to let it float in there. I do have this star die. This is from Andy's store on AliExpress. It's a shaker. I did cover it up mostly, but there's shaker bits in the back. Little rosette I bought from Gina, and then I just have some bunch of die cuts and then dangles. These are from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. The little pumpkin, the leaf, and then the spider is from Ali. And they're just dangling down there. Super, super cute. And I love the little shake that it gives. And that eyelet is from eBay. And then this little, these die cuts, I have a witch die cut, a spider die cut, and then a little skeleton die cut in between all the different layers. I also have these little purple things. Jennifer just gifted me some of these little sprigs, so I have them in there. They're so, so cute. I have some trim from Etsy, a little potion bottle from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio as well, kind of like the skeletons holding it. A little spider web on the side right here. And then the word spooky, that's a die from KS Craft. My friend Crystal gifted me that die cut. And I love the way it looks. It's very chunky. That's not my normal, I don't really know how to do it. So I was glad that I was able to kind of pull this one off. I hope Sheba loves it. I do love the way that this did turn out. And I got to use purple and stuff. So another option, not option, but like a bonus, is to make 4 flowers. So I just did some rolled flowers. This is the first time I've ever rolled flowers, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So I just did some purple, black, and I did that glitter diamond dust stuff on the top to just give it, some shimmer. So those are my 2 little thingies that I'm going to be sending to Sheba. I will leave her challenge information down below. You do have till the 15th to get it postmarked by. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next crafty video.